In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install WebCatalog on Windows 11 operating system. So here in Google search box, write there WebCatalog, then go on this webcatalog.io site. So here you can get this single switch. So there I'm going to download there for desktop here. This is Windows. Click on this. So this is now downloading. Web catalog setup exe file. So this here you can see desktop atlas this. This is for launcher, messenger, browser, picker. And here this is desktop. Now you can see this is the status. Total size is 223 MB. After that's downloaded, let's click on this exe file. So this is now installing. Please wait. Here, let's click on this icon, web catalog. Now here, sign in. So continue in browser. So you can do the sign in with this here, like Google, Apple, Microsoft, GitHub. Let's use the Google. So this is now successfully signed in. Thereafter, here you can use any app is there. Here you can search, you can add. So if you click, then you can add there ChatGPT, WhatsApp, Facebook, and here you can see this all that's come there according to your requirement. So according to requirement, you can use the app in your system, which is the Microsoft Copilot Grow. So this is how we can here install this web catalog on Windows 11 operating system. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.